Welcome! In this little video, we are going to configure some features of Akabak before we get started with the software. To begin, start Akabak, open the Options menu and click on Units. This page will allow us to configure the preferred units for our acoustic simulations projects. I will select milliseconds as the time units, centimeters for distance, centimeters squared for area, liters for volume, grams for mass, newtons per meter for stiffness, millihenry for inductance, and finally microfarad for capacitance. Once the units are set, click OK and confirm that you want to convert the values. The second element to configure will be located in the Options menu as well, in the Preferences. Open the Processing tab and click on CPU equals max. This will ensure that Akabak uses all the available calculation power you dispose of on your PC. Confirm by clicking OK and you are ready to move on to the next video.